Here are the three things you must do before putting your house on the market. Before you put on your house on the market, stop. Most homeowners lose money before the first buyer ever walks through the doors. Homes do not sell just because they hit the market. Homes sell because they are priced correctly, prepared correctly, and marketed correctly from day one. Here are the first three things you must do before listing your property. Number one, understand the real market value of your home. Not what Zillow says, not what your neighbor thinks, and not what you hope is worth. You need to know what buyers are actually paying for homes just like yours right now. In today's market, overpricing is one of the fastest ways to make buyers ignore your property. The longer a home sits, the weaker your negotiation position becomes. Homes priced correctly create urgency. Urgency creates competition. Competition creates offers. Number two, small problems fix immediately. Buyers notice everything: loose door handles, chipped paint, dirty grout, bad landscaping, strong odors. These small issues create doubt, and doubtful buyers offer less money. You do not always need a full renovation, but you do need cleanliness, lighting, organization, and presentation. Remember this: buyers shop emotionally first and logically second. Number three, hire the right agent before you go live. This is where many homeowners make the biggest mistake. Not all agents market the homes the same way. Not all agents negotiate the same way. And not all agents know how to create buyer demand. A strong agent creates exposure, follows up aggressively, negotiates hard, and protects your equity. Remember, price it correctly, fix the little things, choose the right agent. At Bustos Realty, we specialize in helping homeowners sell faster and for the highest possible price. If you're thinking about selling your home and want a real strategy before you hit the market, call me today at 305-903-4456. This is Alvaro Bustos with Bustos Realty, and we find real solutions in real estate.